Munga Honorable gets his bail conditions modified for African tour. Look out Africa. Dancehall star Munga Honorable will be returning to the continent for a tour which will begin in March.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear, silent, WhatsApp group, the link down below. Join the group, subscribe. Now, Munga Honorable, the youth here is a smart youth. Him get caught up from 2017. Keep a low profile. Was able to take back him case to court and get the judge for granting permission for doing tour. Him smarter than Tommy Lee, Sparta. You understand? The youth here, me don't know much about Munga. But, how the man flex, you can see, 2017, little thing come down, man did up a hockey walk, him say alright, boom, low key, line up him tour, go back to the judge, and now the man a tour. Tommy Lee, look upon you, take a page out of Munga Honorable book. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. You understand? And watch the rest of the news clip and see where Munga a tour in Africa. Tommy Lee, you're a fool. Let's go.
The Nomadovan DJ is presently facing a murder charge in connection with the 2017 murder of Cleveland Smith, and there were restrictions on his overseas travel. However, the lawyers representing Munga successfully made an application before the Supreme Court of Judicature for the variation of his bail conditions on the 22nd day of February 2022 to permit his travel to do several gigs in Africa. The application was made by his attorneys at law Mr. Christopher Townsend and Mr. Chadwick Berry of TWP Attorneys at Law. Munga's tour is slated to begin on the 24th day of March 2022. He will be touring in Lamin, Farafenni and Serekunda among other places in Gambia, as well as Tamale Sports Stadium among other places in Ghana. He will also be touring in Kenya. Munga Honorable has been fighting a murder charge in connection with the 2017 incident. According to the police report, it is alleged that Smith was accosted by a group of men, one of whom was reportedly armed with a gun at a dance in the Aki Walk community of St. Andrew. An altercation ensued between them, during which Smith was shot. He was then rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Munga Honorable is known for tracks including In My Arms, Flippin' Rhymes, and Bad From Me Born.